Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a full guide on how to unstar an audio in WhatsApp chat. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on a chat where the starred audio is located. It could be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Step 3. Now, scroll through the chat until you find the starred audio. It will have a star icon next to it, indicating that it's been starred. Step 4. Finally, tap on the star icon at the top of the screen. This will remove the star from the audio, unmarking it as important. And there you have it. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily unstar an audio in your WhatsApp chat. It's a great way to declutter your starred messages and keep things organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.